Hello, today we will guide you through how to make VHS effect in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app loads, make sure you're on the main editing screen so you can begin a new project or continue in a workspace where you want to apply the effect. This tutorial is focused specifically on adding a VHS style look, so having the app fully open and ready will make the next steps quick and simple. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. This is the clip you'll be editing, and placing it in the timeline gives you a clear view of where the effect will be added. If your video is already imported into your media library, simply drag it down into the editing area. If not, you may need to bring it into your project first before moving it into position. Once it's in the timeline, check that the clip is sitting where you want it and is ready for effects. After that, go to the top left area of the editor and click on Effects. This is where CapCut keeps a wide range of visual styles and filters that can transform the look of your footage. Opening the Effects panel is an important step because it gives you access to the tools needed to create that retro VHS appearance. With the Effects section open, use the search feature and type in VHS. Searching helps narrow down the options quickly, especially if there are many effects listed in the library. Once the search results appear, look for the VHS effect that matches the classic old tape style you want. Depending on the version of CapCut you're using, the preview may show things like noise, scan lines, color shifting, or a slightly distorted analog look. Finally, drag the sample VHS effect onto your video in the timeline. Place it directly over the section of footage where you want the effect to appear. If you want the entire clip to have the VHS look, stretch the effect so it matches the full length of the video. If you only want it for a shorter moment, keep it trimmed to that specific section. After applying it, preview your video to make sure the effect looks the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully added a VHS effect in CapCut and given your footage a nostalgic, retro style.